Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with the fastest, most impactful fixes. First, restart the Explorer process in Task Manager to clear transient UI hangs. Then, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run sfc/scano. This checks and repairs system file corruption that often breaks search. Once done, go to Settings Update and Security and install any pending Windows updates so known bugs are patched. These steps address temporary hangs and underlying file issues. They're quick and often restore search without deeper changes. Now you move to deeper repairs to fix indexing and service problems. Rebuild the search index from Control Panel indexing options. That resolves missing or corrupted index entries that crash the bar. Next, open services. MSC and restart Windows Search and Shell Experience host. These govern search and Cortana UI, and restarting them clears hung threads. If instability persists, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the system image. Once complete, reboot and test search behavior to confirm whether the core issue is resolved. Finish by isolating profile or app-level causes and applying recovery. Create a new Windows user account. If search works there, your original profile is corrupted and you should migrate data. If app-level issues remain, reset Cortana or the search app via Settings Apps, which clears cached settings. As a last resort recovery, use System Restore to return to a point where search worked, or perform an in-place Windows 10 repair install to preserve files while reinstalling system components. If none work,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.